Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Man Cave Meals. Today I want to put together another one of my favorite snack treats to do on the smoker for game day, party day, or whatever occasion you might have. We're going to make some smoked Cheez-Its. So let's get started. We're going to get this project started with one 12-ounce box, which is standard size box of Cheez-Its, and to that I've got about two tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to toss that in there and just give these guys a very quick toss in that to get that kind of spread on here. And then we're going to add a third of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to toss these in that to get them nicely coated. And to that we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue rub, and I'm just going to give these guys a toss and let these get completely coated. And once I have those completely coated, I'm going to pull these out and spread these guys out fairly evenly here on a half sheet pan. And you can use whatever kind of pan you want, or whatever kind of pan fits best on your grill or smoker. But right here, you just want to kind of get these guys spread out nice and evenly so they can all get some smoke. And I also recommend that when you do this, do a lot of these. So I am actually going to do 4 pans of these, so I'm going to get the other 3 ready. Okay, I've got my Myron mixing pellet smoker rolling some really nice smoke here at about 225 degrees. So what we're going to do is I'm going to toss all 4 pans of these Cheez-Its that we've so lovingly seasoned onto, we'll put 1 on each grill grate. I'm going to close this guy up and we're going to let those cook for 90 minutes in the smoke. Okay guys, we're out 90 minutes now and these things are looking amazing. I'm going to have a quick taste of one. Yep. That's good. We're going to pull these guys off and let them cool. So after you've let these things cool, this is what you end up with. They're not soggy in any way, and they've got a beautiful crunch and flavor. Let's give them a try. So I'm going to have another taste. These are fantastic. This barbecue rub, which I'll give you the recipe for in the video description, is my Man Cave Meals #2. This is the same rub that I use on pork butts and ribs, and this is a purely taste thing, guys. You can put any kind of rub you like on these. These are good with any. I've made these with lots of different styles of rubs, lots of different types of rubs, and I tend to make them just with whatever I have plenty of on hand at the time. So guys, let me know how you like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button here. Help me out. Leave a thumbs up on the video and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Man Cave Meals.